Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to download Reels from Instagram. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process. Just come to your profile or select any other video or reel that you want to download. Just click on the reel. Once you open it up, you can click on the aeroplane icon. After this, you can scroll right on the bottom row here. And as you can see there is a download button. Just click on it, and after that it will start downloading. Now keep in mind that you cannot use this video for commercial purposes, which means you have to give them their credit. Otherwise, without the permission, you cannot use it for commercial purposes. You can just download the video, send it to your friends, and yeah, all that sort of stuff. Once the video is downloaded, this is how it will look. There will be a watermark, as you can see here, and that watermark will be the account name that I have. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to download Reels from Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos you should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.